Hello, my name's Travis Dupriest, owner of QualityCycleParts.com and Mossy Creek Cycle. Well, today I want to do a review on 3M's Super 33 vinyl electrical tape. I use this tape a lot whenever I'm building wiring harnesses and doing wiring harness repairs. Here we have 3M's Super 33 Plus vinyl electrical tape. This is a true professional grade electrical tape. It comes in a clear plastic case, which I like because it keeps contaminants out of the tape while in storage, so that way it's always available and ready to go whenever I get ready to apply it to a wire. Now that I have the tape out of the container, I want to show you the reasons that I like this tape so much whenever I'm working on wiring harnesses, especially whenever I'm doing grouping of wires. This particular tape, 7 thousandths thick, and one of the advantages to that, which I'll go ahead and pull some off, is it makes it very stretchy and pliable, and it does not build up. Now, the first thing I do when I group wires is I go ahead and I do one full turn around the wires. I usually don't do any more than that. With this tape especially, it is definitely not necessary. It bonds to itself very well. Because of its stretching and pliability. I'm getting ready to go ahead and start my transition to bundle up this second group of wires like if it's going to the other side of the bike. What I usually do is I'll go ahead and just make one full turn around the original bonded set of wires. I'll bring my next group together. You see, I just come underneath. There's your original bonded set right here. I come underneath the next set that I'm going to be working with over the top. I go in between on the new set that I'm getting ready to bundle. I finish that, go all the way around. I come back to my Y, make one revolution around the Y. I do not want to make 2 or 3, just one. This tape is pliable enough that as I come back over, I can stretch it and then bring it up that next group of wires in a very clean, relatively wrinkle-free, and you have a really hard time doing that with the thicker tapes. Now I'll finish putting my second group of wires together. All right, and again, now that I'm done, that's as far as I'm going to go on that group of wires. All I do with this tape is one revolution. There is no need to go around it a couple of times. This tape bonds to itself extremely well. It has shown me that it really does not tend to feather off hardly at all. Once I've made my Y, I take the tape. Again, the advantage to this is the fact that I can put another layer on here without it developing a lot of thickness. This is where I made the full revolution at the Y. I make one more full revolution. Then I can begin taking it down my harness to group the whole bundle together.